Alright, we're having a Mexican standoff here with a heifer. Okay. Yeah, we're packing up, can't you see it? Okay, now the cow's attacking Even Star. Oh.
Uh-oh, now the other cows are coming.
And looking back the other way. Day one of our Tinker Cliffs Mcafee Knob hike. Down here getting some water as the drivers take the cars out to the shuttle point. So we are waiting for the shuttle crew to come back. There's the bridge we crossed in the middle of the night.
I saw a field. Yeah. Hey.
A bridge, a crossing, a field, you know?
Yeah. You wasn't a bridge too far. I could have just lifted you up and put you over there.
Don't they keep insects and bugs away. Like if you
we can
stick
keep it
them up
beside
in
our
your
tent.
attic or so.
And the trees usually have big spikes on them.
To stick them where?
Like
up
in
your what?
Attic or,
Up your attic?
In the attic?
yeah. Stick them in your backpack.
Yeah, spikes.
Hey, look up before me and I'll carry them back. I'll get them for you. Get them for you at the trailhead.
Them logs are looking a little old. Yeah.
And another one. This is a new one. First hill. Alright, Tinker Cliffs. Exactly 2 hours to the top of the cliffs. It's noon. We're going to stop, take a break here. Let everybody catch up. What a beautiful spot. Here's the fire ring from last summer.
Top of that ridge.
Damn, it's cold. Say hi, say cheese, hey.
Yeah, block of cheese.
You see the sun shining, but it is really chilly up here.
This will look nice and flawless in the winter when there's a pack of snow in there, right?
Yeah.
Woo! Wear my rain pants and go down. Oh yeah.
There's that's not it. There's Mcafee Knob there. That's where we're headed. Not much to see here. It's kind of a little valley. Yes. A few leaves here, but let me tell you, this is nothing compared to going down some of those hills there. The leaves were like 2 feet deep. Okay, there's a reservoir over there. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, there's a better shot of the reservoir. We got about 3 miles to go to the campsite shelter, 3.8 to the knob. There's the knob we're headed to right there. Mcafee's Knob. And we're not going up to there tonight. We're going below at camp at the AT shelter.
What?
Filming.
Are you filming?
No, I was hoping you did. I think it's perfect.
Oh, shit.
I wonder if we just go down from the last one. It's longer than that, huh?
Yeah, definitely not from me. I thought maybe we'd have to jump.
That's what place does.
That's what that does.
I'm not going that way.
Okay, here we're following the AT. Almost our destination. You can see up there.
Where's our destination?
You can see the tower from here where we're going.
So who's the short-legged now? Oh, look at that. Now we finally get a nice view of the reservoir. No obstacles. Are you sure we're on the trail?
Yeah, we're passing white paint.
All right.
Right here's a paint mark right here in front of me.
This is nice.
Almost there. I don't know where everybody else is. 2 old guys here. Move along, nothing to see here. Move along. Nothing to see here. Keep moving.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
And we're still on the same road to the shelter. Boy, what a beautiful day. There's Mcafee's Knob. We're not going that far right now. We're going up to the power line. Should be another 10-20 minutes. Like I said, we're almost to the shelter. We're on the AT headed for Mcafee's Knob or Mcafee's Knob. Take some photos. We should be there in within the next half an hour. All right, let's go. Oh, it looks like the hiking gods aren't done with us yet. You can see we have another uphill, and hopefully not too much farther. Once we get past the little ridge up here, and we're looking for a power line, and hopefully we're going to find a hut up there. We're back. We finally made it to the hut. It's quite a uphill climb to get up here. I've been stopping, taking a lot of photos. Trail's pretty steep getting up to this hut. Kept wondering, is there a hut up here? Looks like there's the father and some kids up there. Let me go back and go on and find out where the others are. And Paul said something about a nice meadow just past the hut. All right, let's go. There's another glimpse of the shelter. We're headed up to my back. Still going up. Looks like there's a little ridge right up there, and the hill behind it is Mcafee's Knob, which is our goal for tomorrow, and then up and over to the other side. Okay, we're here. Finally, we're just above the hut. It's time to set up camp. So I got a little spot right here. Doesn't look real level. Find out. All right, time to get to work. Okay, here we are at the spring. We're going to filter some water before it gets dark. I've already set up the tent. I was pretty tired, so I laid down for about 20 minutes. So we're gonna look around here for a second, and then I'm gonna show you the place where we're getting water from. Okay, see the sun is setting. It's about 8 minutes after 5. I'm hoping this is the spring here. We're gonna walk over there. I'm gonna show you what I think we're supposed to do here. I think we're supposed to come over here and then open this up. I tell you, the water looks really funky when you open this up, and I wasn't sure this was it, so I looked around and I couldn't find anything else. So this is what I think you're supposed to be doing here. Taking my canteen, filling it up, trying to get that leaf. Now, it looks pretty clear, so, and I smelled it and it smelled okay. So I'm going to go over and sterilize it over here with the staring out. So act of faith here that the water's purified. So very carefully doing this one hand. Got like 3 liters here. Take this and pour this in here. Looks alright. I hope this all need 3 liters. If I have any left, then I won't need any for tomorrow. Alright, filled that up. Alright, now it's not 100% clear. Didn't filter, I only sterilized it. So I'll set this back up and head back on up where they started the fire. All the way back, I'm getting water. You see the hut right there. If you look closely in this tree line, you can see our tents over there on the left of the hut, and we'll get there in just a second. And they got having dinner. That's where I'm getting ready to head up to. I just dropped off my water. Here's my tent. Gotta go over and get my food. And my chair. Alright. Peek inside the tent. Yeah, I got everything closed up. Alright. We can get our food and head on over.
Catch up and then just like mash it with the whole.
Just demolish
Mash
it.
the smiley face.
That was
Alright, there's Gunny, and he's probably cooking his stuff. And my guess is in that red hat thing that he's got there.
Cozy.
His cozy, yeah, his food cozy. It's like Doxy's got some kind of freeze-dried.
Lean sienna, red beans, and rice.
Ooh, sweet.
I had some sausage.
What's Even Star getting?
Sausage.
That's it?
I
Okay.
should,
I ate potatoes. Potatoes.
And let's see, Kevin's probably doing meat and cheese on bread.
Is it really
And
what you
Double
do?
A is cooking something.
I think I'm gonna actually
It's
use
a
that
rice.
too,
It's
though.
a vegetable medley.
Alright.
Oh man, that's hot.
And I'm going to cook some rice and sausage. Okay, here we are, sunset. Still got enough for a video, enough light. We just finished singing Kumbaya. Now Paul's going to take the lighted end of a stick and wave it, and shows how he can do his name in the air. And Kevin is serenading us with his scratch pan. It's like hillbilly style. It's like it's kind of new music. That's his version of the Blue Danube. It's real slow. Hear it? Listen. Oh yeah, we were tapping our feet a little while ago to that. Here we are in the fog jungle. About 7:20. Seems like it rained most of the night. Probably didn't, but it seemed that way. Alright, Sunday morning, breakfast time. Only Gunny and I are up so far. Looks like there's movement in Kevin's tent, and we saw Double A minute ago. There's my pathetic self. And here we are trudging up Mcafee Knob in the fog. It's Doxy waving good morning. We left at about 10:30, 9:30. We'll know when we get there because we'll start going downhill. We're pretty socked in by the fog.
You want a quarter of a Pop-Tart, Phil?
Sure.
Yay. It's cookies and cream.
All right. Well, thank you.
A quarter.
You're very kind. Is that the photo op place down there?
Down there, the photo op.
Okay, we're finishing up taking our hero poses
Hero pose.
on the famous knob, which is this it right here or that one over there?
Right there.
So there it is right there, folks. Isn't the view great? Oh yeah, you can see for inches in every direction. Here we are again. We're at the scenic Mcafee Knob, where, as I just said, we can see for inches in every direction. A little panorama here of nothing. As long as you can see me, that's all you need, right? So, all right, in just a few minutes we'll gather everybody up and head for the descent, which we anticipate to be very wet and full of leaves, which is going to be pretty doggone treacherous. All right, we'll see you later.
I even have a souvenir picture of you. It's a nice cliff.
Well, some people have their packs on, so I guess we better stop. I better Doxy.
Yeah, everyone else has left us.
Yeah, Doxy waited for me at the trail junction. My friend. Either that or you got the short straw.
Short stick.
Short stick. So we're still in the fog, but the trail is pretty sweet so far. Very nice. I had a couple of trail runners pass us. Yay, I'm saved!
Yay!
I'm saved! Are we there? Where's the car?
Well, I stopped here to let somebody make a decision on which way to go.
I want to go to the car.
Well, both lead to the car. We can take the fire road or we can take the trail.
Road.
Road?
No, but then everybody missed walking on the AT.
Yeah.
11?
They're not the same distance though.
Yeah, about the same distance, but
Did
it's
you see the fire road is like
10 after 10.
0.4 short?
So
Something like
2.6 miles,
something like
whatever way.
Yeah, like a half.
Whichever way.
Yeah, about a quarter mile difference.
Well, I'm going to say AT, and then as soon as I turn off the film, go down the fire road. Looks like there's an intermediate shelter here. Alright, we're about 2.5 miles from the we've got about 2 miles to go, and we're looking back on that shelter, and it's really beautiful. from this angle. Look at the grass growing on the roof, the moss. And there's a nice little spring there. It's a potential camping spot from the parking lot. Docs and I were talking about that. Might be, we'll see what the trail looks like, because neither one of us have been on this trail. So. Okay.
You can hike here.
We come upon yet another hut. And it's even got a, or shelter, it's even got a little privy.
Not seeing any water though.
Yeah, that's what we look for now is water. Alright, probably spring somewhere. Usually that's where they, alright, hopefully not too much farther before we hit the parking lot. Okay, we've made it down the mountain and got to the parking lot. So next stage, we're heading to the restaurant. The home place, Doxy's standing right beside me, and we are ready for some fried chicken. Okay, we're at the home place. We're getting ready to go in and eat. Let's see how good it is. Finally made it to the restaurant. It didn't take 40 minutes. It took about 15 minutes. Waiting on the chicken. We're finishing up with round one. Everybody's chowing down here. Gunny, as usual, has hogged all of one or two items. This time it was the coleslaw and potatoes. Mark's on his second round of chicken.
All the chicken.
He's gonna have ice cream on his next chicken.